is going on, guys? So, today we got an interesting one, right? What the fuck is going on with Tesla right now? Right? Why has it dropped so much recently, right? As you guys can see from its highest point, it ended up dropping almost 43%. Why? Why did it do this? Couple of reasons. So, the first reason is the stock split made it jump high, right? I knew that after the stock split, it wouldn't crash immediately. It would take a day or two afterwards. Now, the other major thing that made it crash the past 30% or 20% or 22% today, almost 23% today, and then 7% on Friday was due to the fact that it has not gotten into the S&P 500 yet, right? Even though it ended up passing Walmart and it has met all the criteria, the S&P 500 has still decided to skip it. Now, that does not mean it still won't get in, because it does still have around 2 weeks or so. It can still get in this week and it can still get in next week. The reason it ended up selling off so much is because the S&P announced 3 new companies, and it was not Tesla, that got into the S&P 500 on Friday during aftermarket hours, which ended up pushing down Tesla 6.5%. Now, some regular traders that are like new to Robinhood, Thinkorswim, or any new platform were not able to then trade aftermarket, so they had to take advantage of today, and they ended up selling and all of that stuff and calling puts on Tesla. So this ended up making it drop down today. Now, what does this leave Tesla, right? I ended up making a video saying that I ended up buying Tesla, which I did. I have around 100 shares of Tesla currently, and let's just say I'm down around $15,000 this week. Am I worried? Tad bit, not gonna lie. I do have 2 call contracts for Tesla. Worst case scenario, I lose those 3 grand, and that's not really that big of a deal. So overall, worrisome, not too much. Does it suck if I lose that money? Obviously, it does. Um, but overall, right, my initial was that Tesla would not, my buy range was lowest at 380, and then from their point on, it could end up going higher. So why did it not do this? Due to the S&P news, right? The analysis was there. The chart analysis was there. It should not have dropped below 380. But there are 2 differences between analytical and fundamental analysis, and that is basically news versus charts. So the chart analysis of 380, that it should not drop below this point right here, due to all of this information, was almost spot on. So that is great news for me, because that means I at least did my job right. The news was hard to foretell, because I really did think it would end up making it in, which I know would then mean it would shoot up from 380. My average price is $416. I knew that it would then shoot up from 380 all the way up to this point right here of around 450. Yes, that is a big jump, but I knew it would, and you guys can now say that as well, because it ended up dropping almost 30% due to the news of it not making it. So now, if I look back at the charts, what is the new bottom for Tesla? Well, technically it has 2 new bottoms. One is right here at, this line is taking forever to draw, at $305. As you can see, again, I have my little symbol alert. And then the other one, and I really hope it does not come to this point, is then $271. Now, the only bad thing is it did end up hitting this resistance, so you do have around a 25% range to play around with Tesla, so it will consolidate in here for a while, and until it gets added into the S&P 500, it will be hard to break the $380 resistance, but not impossible. So the 2 upcoming things in the next 2 weeks that can skyrocket Tesla to its all-time high, or even higher, to be honest, is inclusion in the S&P 500 and the battery day news. If the battery day news, that could honestly, at its current price, it needs the S&P 500 inclusion and the battery day to shoot it above its high point. My sell is at $500. My limit sell order is at $500, because if both of those news ends up going positive, it will reach that. If only one of those, it will not reach that point. It will get close, but it will not reach it. Considering the price it's at, if it gets battery day is great news. It can shoot up to around the 380 mark, maybe get closer to the 400, but it will not push it to the 500 mark. The S&P 500 inclusion also will not push it to the 500 mark, but it will push it up to the low 4s, and then from there the battery day news can take it up to the high 4s and low to mid 5s. So again, that is the news on Tesla. So the next 2 weeks will be crucial. After that, throw the analysis, fundamental and analytical out the window, and then I have to redo it, and you guys as well, because I'm not here to just tell you what to do. I'm here to just show you how to do it. So that is that. So basically the next 2 weeks can completely change it. It can go skyrocket up, it can skyrocket down. Honestly, at this point, these are just the 3 points that we have, the 3 resistance and support levels. So again, September 22nd. September 22nd is a pretty big day. My call is for September 18th. So we shall see how it goes. But other than that, just want to give you guys that update on Tesla. If you guys haven't seen my Nikola video, you guys can go check that out, obviously. But yeah, that is the update and news on Tesla. So the next 2 weeks, this week and next week, crucial. There's only half of this week considering it is already Tuesday. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like up, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will answer that. If you guys want a different video, or more in-depth analysis or anything like that, leave it in the comments. On that, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay green for the week, and pray for the Tesla gods and tweet at Elon to increase the stock price of Tesla. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Peace out.